Okay, we're trying to capture what the bird is doing without letting her see me. And I think she's actually trying to pull that stuff inside. I guess, anyway. I don't know what the heck. It's like she found a piece of cloth somewhere. She must think it's good nesting material. Either that or she made a doorway flap. I wonder if she trapped herself in there. I may have to pull that out. I really don't want to get involved. Because she should know what she's doing. Or he, or whatever. But maybe she's stuck in there. There's no other way out. There is another hole up in the other corner, but that's on another floor. Oh, this is weird. Strange.